Do you want to achieve more with your songwriting? Watch this video and I'll show you how to reach your songwriting goals this year. There might be several reasons why you want to achieve certain songwriting goals. For example, you might want to improve your songwriting skills in order to write more compelling and emotive songs. Or you might want to achieve certain songwriting goals in order to advance your career as a musician. Achieving your songwriting goals can help you to develop a unique artistic voice and differentiate yourself from other artists. Ultimately, achieving your songwriting goals can bring a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction, as you're able to create music that resonates with others and expresses your innermost thoughts and emotions. Achieving your songwriting goals can be difficult, as there are many obstacles that stand in your way. One major difficulty is not knowing where to start, which can lead to feeling overwhelmed and unsure of how to move forward. Another difficulty is the time and effort required to develop your skills and craft. It can be hard to balance your songwriting aspirations with other responsibilities and commitments. The songwriting industry can also be competitive and unforgiving, making it challenging to break through and succeed. In this video, I will try and help you overcome these difficulties by presenting 10 tips and tricks for reaching your songwriting goals this year. Let's begin. Number 1. Set your goals. Start by setting specific, achievable goals for yourself. These might include completing a certain number of songs within a set time frame, reaching a certain level of proficiency in a particular aspect of songwriting, or even performing your songs in front of an audience. By setting clear, tangible goals, you will have something concrete to work towards, which can help to motivate and inspire you. If you fail to meet your songwriting goals, you might feel disappointed and frustrated. You might feel like you let yourself down, or like you're not making progress in your music career. Don't let the potential of future failure stop you from setting your songwriting goals. You might need to adjust your goals to make them more realistic, or you might need to change your approach to songwriting. By taking a proactive approach, you can help to prevent mistakes and continue working towards your goals, even if you don't always meet them on first try. Number 2. Be regular. Once you have established your goals, it's essential to stay organised and disciplined in your songwriting process. Develop a regular songwriting routine and stick to it. Consistency is key when it comes to improving your songwriting skills. This might mean setting aside a specific time each day or week to write, or creating a dedicated space where you can focus on your craft without distractions. By establishing a regular routine, you will be able to make consistent progress and gradually improve your skills over time. This will not only help you to become a better songwriter, but it will also make the songwriting process more enjoyable and rewarding. Number 3. Push yourself. In addition to staying organised, it's important to consistently challenge yourself and push the boundaries of your creativity. This could mean experimenting with different styles of music, trying out new chord progressions or melodies, or collaborating with other musicians. By constantly challenging yourself, you can continue to grow and improve as a songwriter. This can lead to more creative and unique compositions, as well as a deeper understanding and mastery of your craft. Plus, collaborating with other musicians can bring fresh perspectives and ideas to your work, further expanding your creative horizons. Number 4. Every day's a school day. Another important tip is to never stop learning and improving. This could mean taking music lessons, attending workshops or seminars, or simply listening to and studying the work of other successful songwriters. The more you learn and grow as a musician, the better equipped you will be to reach your goals. Continuing to learn and improve is key to achieving success in the music industry. Whether you are just starting out or are an experienced songwriter, there is always room for growth. By taking lessons, attending workshops, and studying the work of others, you can gain valuable insights and skills that will help you to reach your goals and succeed as a musician. You can also work on your songwriting with the videos on this channel and the information on our website. Visit writeasongnow.com today to further your knowledge. Number 5. Share your work. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there and share your music with others. This could mean performing at local open mic nights, sharing your songs on social media, or reaching out to music industry professionals. The more people who hear your music, the more opportunities you will have to make connections and further your career. By taking the initiative and putting your music out there, you can increase your chances of finding fans, collaborators, and opportunities in the music industry. It will also open up the potential for constructive criticism, which can be invaluable for improving your songwriting. So don't be shy, take a chance, and share your music with the world. Number 6. Toughen up. When sharing your work, it's important to have a thick skin and be prepared for rejection. The music industry can be tough, and not every song you write is going to be a hit. Don't let rejection discourage you. Instead, use it as an opportunity to learn and improve. It's all part of the journey to becoming a successful musician. Take constructive criticism to heart and use it to grow as an artist. Keep writing, keep performing, and keep pushing yourself to be the best musician you can be. Number 7. Stay connected. In addition to being prepared for rejection, it's essential to network and make connections in the music industry. This could mean attending industry events, joining music organisations, or simply reaching out to other musicians and music professionals. The more connections you have, the more opportunities you will have to advance your career. By networking and building relationships with other professionals in the industry, you can gain valuable insight and advice, as well as open doors to potential opportunities. It's important to be proactive and take initiative to build your network and make connections. Number 8, keep on keeping on. Another important aspect of achieving success in songwriting is to be persistent and never give up. It can take time to build a successful career in the music industry, and there will be obstacles and setbacks along the way. But with determination and perseverance, you can overcome any challenges and reach your goals. It may require hard work and dedication, but staying focused and committed to your craft will ultimately lead to success. Keep pushing forward and never give up on your dreams of making it in the music industry. Number 9, keep on working. It's important to have a strong work ethic and be willing to put in the time and effort to succeed. This means consistently putting in long hours of practice and songwriting, even when you don't feel motivated. By consistently working hard, you can achieve your goals. Additionally, it's crucial to put in the effort to improve your craft. This could involve taking lessons, attending workshops, or seeking feedback from other musicians. By consistently working on your craft, you can improve your skills and reach new levels of success. Number 10, believe in yourself. It's important to have a positive attitude and believe in yourself and your abilities. Success in the music industry requires a combination of talent, hard work, and a positive mindset. By believing in yourself and staying positive, you can overcome any challenges and achieve your goals. Having a positive mindset is essential in the music industry, where there are many obstacles and challenges to overcome. It's crucial to believe in your abilities and have confidence in yourself to push through any challenges and achieve your goals. By staying positive and focused on your goals, you can overcome any obstacles and succeed in the competitive world of music. You've got your goals and motivation. Now start songwriting with the playlist on screen.